As the pandemic worsens, panicked governments have been accused of using questionable methods to acquire supplies in the battle against this contagion. The tactics range from blocking exports of medical supplies to sending spies on missions to find tests. The fear of shortages and the strain on the healthcare systems have pushed governments to take measures such as stockpiling masks and hazmat suits. This has also led to limiting exports of productive medical equipment and more. So, what are these questionable methods and accusations? Let's take a closer look, beginning with the United States of America. According to two French officials, U.S. buyers turned up at the Shanghai airport where a consignment of masks was being dispatched to France. The U.S. buyers allegedly offered 3 times of what their French counterparts were paying, although the U.S. government has stated that they have not purchased any masks intended for delivery from China to France, and any such reports are completely false. Turkey has allegedly gone further ahead by not only banning the exports of protective gear but also appearing to renege on foreign sales of masks that had already been paid for. According to a Belgian newspaper report, Turkish-made masks destined for other countries had never reached them. In Italy, it took more than 2 weeks following a phone call from the Prime Minister to the Turkish President for the masks to be released. The supplies had still not been delivered to Belgium despite a formal police complaint from the Belgian Health Ministry. According to a local news outlet, Turkey has also threatened domestic mask producers to make sure that they're only providing it to Turkey. The world's biggest manufacturer, China, was the first country to be hit by COVID-19, and it was also accused of stashing its supplies. However, it has since been one of the few countries to go the other way and has sold and donated millions of masks to Europe. According to reports, a shipment bound for Italy went through the Czech Republic, where it was seized by the authorities under disputed circumstances. However, the Czech authorities denied all the allegations but later sent 110,000 masks to Rome as compensation. A similar incident occurred in Kenya, where a shipment bound for Germany mysteriously disappeared while passing through the East African country, although there has been no suggestion that the government was responsible for it. After U.S. President Donald Trump suggested that a common anti-malaria drug could treat COVID-19, India immediately moved to ban the exports of hydroxychloroquine. Global food shortages are not anticipated, and most countries have kept their markets open. But efforts by anxious governments to wrest control of resources may have spooked many. And so, a major flour producer, Kazakhstan, has banned the export of wheat flour. Vietnam has banned the export of rice, and Serbia has blocked medicine and sunflower oil exports.